Hey there.
Hello.
Look at where we are here.
This is a village. It's called Giethoorn. It's in
Giethoorn.
Netherlands. Giethoorn. Yeah,
In the Netherlands.
My pronunciation. Sorry for that. This is a city. There is no car, and only you can go with the boat or walk.
So it's the most picturesque city in the Netherlands. And today we're going to show you. We're going to rent a boat and we're going to show you all around.
Yes.
So make sure you like,
Subscribe.
click the notification bell.
Okay.
And
let's watch the video.
Let's go for it.
Yes.
So we were so lucky because we were at the station. We went from Arnhem to Swan to Steenwijk, their direction line Leeuwarden. And after that, guess what we went? We arrived at the Steenwijk station and we met two people who wanted to join us in the taxi as well.
And now they offer us to join.
Now they offered us to join with them in the boat, so we're sharing, so we're gonna have even more fun. So the boat was rented at the It Cafe from Varen, and so they're preparing our boat.
Let's go.
Look what the cute trees here. How this boat works. We have only 3 levels of speed here.
But you are going really fast, like a Rolls Royce.
The speed number 1 is 0 is standing still, which is most of the time. Like now, I have to quickly put it on 0 because everybody's standing still, and I'm still going. It's on 0.
Right, it's okay to hit other person, right?
Yeah, everybody does that. So there's no other way apparently. Because it's so busy here. But
All the boats on the way.
yeah,
This is fun, another
I'm
way.
not the only one here.
It-
Otherwise, I would look like really unhappy. Not the only one.
It's like karting, man.
Yeah.
Hitting everybody. But we are safe, it's safe. Because we cannot ride faster, so we are very safe. So otherwise, the place is really amazing. Eh? The village is really beautiful. And the place is really How is it, Livia, riding this electric boat?
It's fun and challenging at the same time.
Yeah, it's very busy today because it's Saturday also, I think,
Yes.
and it's quite busy. It's,
And I feel sorry for those ducks because they really are sometimes in between the boats and have to quickly rush away.
yeah,
But it's very cute.
it's a
The
very,
farms are
very
really cute.
cute city, cute village, you can say.
Yeah.
I have read somewhere there is 2,650 inboners here.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
It's not pushing that much, right?
yeah, and it's it's mostly visited tourist in
City.
city. One of the most
Actually village, right?
village, yeah,
In the Netherlands.
in Netherlands, yes. And I think it's really beautiful, you know. So they took out of the windmills, but
Mill, but
yeah,
the took of the mill.
this normally a windmill, but it looks like a house now. Olivia. Look, people live there.
Yeah, it's really like a house.
Yeah, it's not anymore a windmill, but it's a house now.
Now we're going into Werebewieden. This is like a natural park. We're gonna discover. It seems to be really beautiful. Let's check it out. Oh, strawberries or what is it? No.
I think it's maybe.
I don't know. It's rooibos. Rooibos. Look, those little ducks there. Now we're coming to the lake, Ovenweide. What a beautiful view here.
Lake, yeah?
Such a big lake. Wow.
And now,
Here's
now
Tipu.
I become captain.
Yes,
So,
thought it was time to change. I'm better at reading maps.
but I was not directing well. Livia took it over.
The map. And as you can see, this is very left one. Look how beautiful the swans. So many beautiful swans. I've never seen so many swans before. So many swans. Guess you never have seen so many swans. Me neither. They're so cute. The lake should be called the Lake of Swans.
Here's something.
Oh, this, I think it's broken or something. I think so. Yeah. Yeah. This is a lake of swans in my opinion. You're a great schipper. Look, what a nice house. They have a whirlpool outside. An open house with a boat. Jacuzzi outside, yeah, that's really fun. Gemeentehuis, dus look at this is the gemeentehuis, this is the city hall.
City Hall of
Giethoorn, yeah. Pavilion. A very beautiful location. It's actually a very beautiful location here to... No. It's a beautiful location to eat, eh? In the middle of the water. Look at this. It's actually the best location, eh? This is actually the best location. If you want to sit at the water. Huh? If you want, we can go there later. Hey!
I'm enjoying in nowhere.
Beautiful. So now we are ending our boat trip here at the restaurant Fratelli, just in front of the place where we rented our boat, and it's really busy here, so we decided we order some appetizers before we were going to get our pizza and our pasta.
So you order olive?
Yes.
Black and green olive?
Yes.
And
marinated olives, tapenade, and
so the food has arrived?
yes, and I got a linguine primavera, and looks really delicious.
And I ordered pizza, and here is it.
And that looks also really good, and we're gonna share. And we're gonna try both. We're gonna share and see which one is best. I must say I'm pleasantly surprised. It's much better than I thought. Usually I don't like paprika too much. There's some of it, but the taste of the pasta is really good. It's a little bit spicy, which I love. Perfect for me. It's your pizza.
It's okay. I had a better pizza, but it's okay.
So we are now at the station going back to Zwolle from Steenwijk, and we had to take the taxi. And we took Taxi Oost. We heard that's the best one in the area. And because the bus didn't go anymore, so...
Yeah. So I hope you like the video.
So it was such a wonderful time for us, I think, to be in Giethoorn, this little Venice. I hope you loved it too, to watch this video and to see all the beautiful places in Giethoorn. So now make sure you like, subscribe, and click the notification bell, and let us know in the comments below what part you like most.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you in the next video.